Snowstorm. Yesterday, we had a big snowstorm. Snowflakes fell from the sky, covering everything in white. The wind was strong, and it was cold outside. I watched from the window as the snow piled up. School was canceled because of the snowstorm. I wore my warmest coat, boots, and gloves to play outside. I built a snowman in the yard. I rolled big snowballs and stacked them up. It was fun. Later, I had hot cocoa to warm up. Mom made it with marshmallows on top. It was cozy and delicious. After playing, I helped Dad shovel the snow from the driveway. It was hard work, but it was also fun being helpful. The snowstorm was tiring, but it was a great day filled with snowy adventures.